Data structures that you need to know for software engineering interviews, and today we're going to talk about stacks. You use a stack when you have a collection of things, but you only care about the very last thing that you inserted into that collection at any given time. And therefore, stacks are commonly referred to as a last in, first out data structure. And that is why, and I want you to pay close attention to this, anything that you can implement using recursion, you can probably implement using a stack. When you're using recursion, you are trying to recurse deeper and deeper, stacking each function call on top of the last one until you get to the base case. And then you do some logic, and then you return the call to the last function call, the last function call, the last function call. So at any stage, you only care about the latest and the topmost thing on the stack. An example of when you should be using a stack is when you're trying to implement, for example, an undo button. The last action you performed should be at the top of the stack, and when you hit undo, you access it and you remove it so that the next undo is going to be the next thing that is now the top of the stack. And when you hit undo enough times, your stack is empty and you can't go back on your actions anymore. And when you do new actions, you basically add them on top of each other to the stack.